Hey guys, I wanted to show you today a little bit of a back to the basics. So if you are new to my page, this is going to be a really helpful video for you. And if you're not new, this is a great refresher. I am going to use just the basic starter kit today. Now the basic starter kit comes with one brush. I recommend the Buffy brush. It comes with the Perfector sponge, and it comes with one compact filled with 4 tins that are customized colors to your face. So to start, I'm going to take the Buffy brush and I'm going to take the smaller end. I'm going to tap into my contour color, which I am running low on. I need to replace mine, but there's still plenty to do my face in here. And then I'm going to feel for my cheekbone and place the contour directly below my cheekbone. Now I'm going to place the contour on the top half of my forehead. Now I'm going to contour the sides of my nose. Now I'm switching over to the wider side of my Buffy brush, and I am going to go into my main highlight color. Now taking that same end of my Buffy brush, and I'm going to go into my brightener highlight color. Now I'm going to take my Perfector sponge and blend it all out. I'm going to start with just the highlighted areas and then go back in and blend the contoured spots, and then I'll add my lip and cheek color at the very end. Okay, now I'm just going to take my finger and go into my lip and cheek color. I'm going to be using my favorite color, which is nude. So just rubbing my finger in, and then I'm going to put it just kind of like in polka dots on the apples of my cheeks. Now I'm taking my Perfector sponge again and blending that out. And I just like to say that I blend until it goes from polka dots to just looking like normal blush. All right, and then taking that same color and putting it on my lips. And that is all. So I just did my entire face of makeup with one compact. I think that that's so amazing. The cream foundation is so hydrating for your skin. Your skin will feel amazing, and thank you for the change, I am sure. If you guys have any questions, let me know. And like I said before, this was the basic starter kit. There's definitely other options for starting out, but this is a great option. This is kind of like the base level, what you need to be able to create the full mascara look. But then there's a lot of other fun products that you can add on after this. So let me know if you have any questions. Hope you guys have a great day.